Ano ba tong si Lilet? Hindi man lang chinek yung whereabouts ng client niya.
We have a very low chance of winning this case. Ewan ko kung bakit pinag-aaksayan pa natin ito ng panahon.
No. Kailangan maipanalo ni Lilet ang kasong ito.
Ayan ka na naman eh. Wala namang patutunguhan tong usapan na to.
Ayokong matalo. Do you understand?
Well, then she has to do a lot of effort and study para maipanalo tong kaso na to. Especially after sa ginawa ng Monica na yon.
Caught in the act. Nagtatalo ang parents ko sa bahay because of mom's latest project, Attorney Lilet. Can I call you now?
Hi. What happened?
I don't want to bother you with the details. Pero I guess something sa hinawakan ng case ni Attorney Lilet. Mukhang talo, kaya ayun, pinagtatalo na rin ng parents ko.
So, this Attorney Lilet, hindi ba magaling? Why would your parents hire her? Hindi ba pwedeng tanggalin na lang siya para wala ka ng problemang madatnan sa house niyo?
I don't know what's the real deal, pero hindi naman siguro kailangan tanggalin agad.
Well, I'm just saying na she's not an asset sa firm ng dad mo kung mukhang matatalo naman yung case.
Parang may bias ka kay Attorney Lilet, ha? Baka there's something to it? You don't know her personally naman to judge her, right?
Yeah, I don't know her. I'm just saying kasi you opened up na nagtatalo yung parents mo because of her being incompetent sa pagiging lawyer niya. I'm just making my unsolicited opinion. Well, baka nga mali na magbigay pa ako ng opinion ko.
Sorry, na-offend ba kita?
No, it's okay. Baka nga mali lang talaga yung sinabi ko.
Well, in my opinion, knowing Dad's law firm, kailangan magaling ang mga lawyers niya. Attorney Lilet is a top-notcher, sure, but the real deal is about winning the court case. I just need to show my mom that kind of perspective.